And I am back. You guys miss me? I have been away for 2 to 3 weeks and I have a lot to talk about. And where have I been? So for you guys that don't know, my channels got hacked. Yes, they did. And I'm still fixing things up. And so basically, thank you YouTube support, Google support for helping me. And I'm gonna do a long story. No short, no medium, long story. So for you guys that don't know what happened, on January 28th, which is a Wednesday of 2026, my channels got hacked. So for you guys that don't know, I have 6 channels, but 2 of them I do not post on anymore because I was just like, I have too many channels. And yes, 6 channels is a lot. And I was just losing interest on those too. I'm trying to get all my channels back and then delete 2 of them. But besides that, I got a brand deal, and it wasn't suspicious. And I'm used to getting scams, getting hackers, because I've had people try to hack my account before. I've had people try to, hey, I would love to be your editor, I would love to be this, and they're trying to scam you, trying to hack you, all this, blah, 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 this. I've had people try to do that, become hackers through other brand deals. I've had that stuff. It usually goes in my junk email, right, and spam and all that stuff. And I have a good software that notices like these kind of things when it comes to emails and stuff. So I get a email, and it wasn't in my junk or spam, it was just in my regular email. Well, I was like, huh, okay, this seems legit, right? And I clicked the link, I scanned the link, that the link was, so this was for Glorious Gaming. For you guys that don't know what Glorious Gaming, it is a gaming company. It's a real gaming company. Someone tried to pretend to be a manager or someone from that company and come to me, hey, we would love to sponsor you in one of your videos. This would be really cool. We'd love to send you free stuff. Like, that's what usually gaming companies do. They are a similar company to Corsair, Logitech, and all that kind of stuff. They sell keyboards and mouses and mouse pads. Same similar price to Corsair. I'm on Team Corsair. I have like most of their stuff. I have keyboards, mouse, headset. But someone tried to be like them, and I read the email. There was no price given, and they were like, "Hey, let's email back and forth." We were emailing back and forth, and I was like, "All right." They mentioned a Zoom call to talk about further stuff. And I was like, all right, I'm waiting for the Zoom call, I'm waiting for the Zoom call. They never respond back, and they gave me this link so we can talk further more on this link. So I scanned the link, and my computer software said good. I think I have ESET. It is, or is it? It's not XSET. That's a game. That's a esports company, but I think it's called ESET. I'll have to look it up. And it's one of the top software companies that protect your PCs and like your information and all that stuff. And it said the link was fine, no suspiciousness, no any of that kind of sort of stuff. So I was like, all right, we scanned it, went to the agency, and I had to put on my Google account, my YouTube channel, which I use my gaming channel, called AlexGames, and I had to see how many subscribers I put how many subscribers and the link to that channel. So I put that in, and I went to go eat. And 15 minutes later, during that duration of 15 minutes, my channels got hacked. I didn't have my phone on me. Usually I do have my phone on me. And it's rare. It's really rare to not have my phone, because I always freak out when I don't have my phone. And the one time I didn't have my phone, my channels got hacked. I would have been noticed. I would have gotten, you know, any of that stuff. Don't worry, I have my phone right here. I always have my phone. My camera's dirty. But I got back, I went to go make a video. I was gonna post a video for a different channel, and then I noticed it got signed out of my Google account. It's like, huh, weird. So I put in my password. Someone hacked my Google account, changed the password, and basically put on authenticator, but through a USB port, where I couldn't get into it. I couldn't use any codes, I couldn't do any of that stuff, which would made it impossible to get in. So I'm over here going through everything, how to recover account, blah, blah. Nothing was working. And I was just like, what the heck? I was freaking out. And I was like, my life is screwed. I'm basically and excuse my language. I was just like, why is this happening to me? And I was thinking, I was like, huh. It was really suspicious that a couple of days later, it was these guys, which it was. Yeah, they got hacked, and these people, they used my card channel to, hopefully none of y'all answered them. They were streaming illegal Bitcoin called Strategy. Don't worry about the home tab. I'm trying to get that changed. I'm gonna pop it up right here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to get it changed back to where it was originally, and I'm gonna keep contacting Google support and YouTube support and all that stuff to help me. It was basically a strategy for illegal Bitcoin. This guy named Michael Saylor, and I don't know who he is. He streamed for 11 hours to botted viewers, so no one was actually really watching him. So they were just making they were just getting free money and getting free all of this off of my channels. So I had to unlink all my cards, my banking information. I had to get a new phone number. I had to do so much. We got a VPN. I was trying to make another Google account. We thought it was the hackers that was trying to disable my accounts because I was trying to make new ones, and Google wasn't letting me. They were thinking I was a hacker, and because I was making everything so fast, which makes sense, obviously. And then I was just like, bruh, this is so stupid. I just want to make a Google account and, you know, try to recover my accounts, right? So weeks later, I was losing hope, and bro, this is a miracle from God. For you guys to know, I am a Christian. It was insane. So bro, that was full-on blessing, miracle, and I can't believe I got my channels back. I'm so happy. It's like a bunch of weight and stress just offloaded. I'm still trying to get things working. Luckily, this channel's not shadow banned. I did make my two new channels. I'm probably gonna delete them, to be honest, because, well, I got my channels back. So we're gonna get back to track. I'm so sorry for not posting. Hopefully none of y'all got any suspicious emails, no suspicious messages about money, about anything. I do apologize. Yeah, we are back. We're trying to get my other channels. Oh, I forgot to Strava. No, this is not sponsored by Strava. I just got done biking. I biked around a lake, White Rock Lake. It's 10 miles, and we're getting healthy, and I'm gonna be making a vlog video about that. About, like, not just that, but like about like just regular life. So if you guys want to go check out my vlog channel, go check it out, link in the description below. And I'm trying to get my other channels back. Right now they are removed, and they say I disrupted a policy. It's called the dangerous policy, which honestly, what is that again? I like totally forgot, but I know I didn't. It was the hackers, and basically YouTube, they disabled my account, or Google, they disabled my account from the hackers, try to bring it back to me, which they did. So thank you, YouTube, thank you, Google. I really appreciate it for all your hard work for getting my channels back. So this actually happened to a similar person. She had over 100K subscribers, and she's a Twitch streamer, and they got her channel back, which gave me hope, because I was lost of hope. I was like, I'm not gonna get it back. I was getting like information of like, hey, we're unable to recover your account, but it's just a mix of positive and negative information. Yeah, so I'm gonna be making an Instagram post on how my channel's back, and go check me out on my Instagram, link in the description below, and it's gonna pop up right here. And if you guys wanna go check out my other channels, once I get them back, hopefully, I'm gonna try to redo the homepage. I'm probably gonna rebrand some of my YouTube channels, because my profile right here, it's a tire that says TCC, which is the crew cars, and I'm probably gonna rename it or rebrand it. I don't know, I'm just trying to rethink of what I wanted to call it. And I'm gonna be rebranding another channel, my vlog channel, which is called The Crew. The reason where I went that channel, I wanted to have a bunch of friends and make a bunch of videos together, but I'm just like, well, that's really not gonna happen. I'm probably going to honestly just call it like Alex Vlogs or something, because it's mainly just my channel. I do want to make a content with a bunch of friends, but that's just later down in the future. So I am so sorry that I was gone for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We are back on the grind. We're gonna continue to hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year. I do have to rework on getting back to the YouTube partner program. We're gonna get back with the edits. We're gonna start making Forza Horizon 6 videos, so y'all better stay tuned. And we're gonna get back to the car wow videos, react videos, car reviews, car vlogs, car challenges, everything car related. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and that was basically explaining of what happened. I hope you guys understand, and please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell. Have a blessed day.